Introducing 8610 Fluttering Leaf Trail, Unit 205, located in the 55-plus community of Cedar Ridge of Piney Orchard, which is located in Odenton, Maryland. You're going to love living here. Directly off of the kitchen is this great living space. It has a beautiful tray ceiling and lots of natural light flow into it from the balcony. You can set up your dining table here and have plenty of room for entertaining guests, family, and friends when they come over to visit. For the person who likes to cook, this kitchen is terrific. It has Corian counters, lots of cabinet space, and a wonderful pass-through window that allows light to brighten up the kitchen. This unit offers 2 bedrooms, the second of which is great for hosting out-of-town guests. It has a large closet of its own and a full bath in the hallway. Additionally, it has another large closet which is perfect for storing your things. The master suite is beautiful and spacious with lovely architectural finishes, great lighting, an ensuite bathroom, and 2 large closets. The balcony is a beautiful place to escape for coffee in the morning or cool drinks in the evening. The community center at Cedar Ridge is a hub for neighborhood activities with an outdoor pool, tennis courts, a putting green, and locally there are walking trails, shopping, and restaurants. There are plenty of things to do here at Cedar Ridge. So schedule your tour today and we'll see you soon.